Berkeley, you gonna put your gingerbread house together?
No, you get me sick.
It's all for you, little fella. Use those to decorate with. Got those. Do those smell good? He's licking his lips. It must smell good. Oh, you got sprinkles? Where's the... Wait, I have to melt the frosting. Oh, man. Buddy, I might have to melt that. Let's test it. What do you think? Good? You need help? All right. You sniff that. Oh, you got a little bit on your nose. All right. How should we start? I bet this has instructions. Ah, door. Okay, smell it. Smell good. Oh, you're making me mess up. Oh, this is a interesting door. You gotta sit up. You gotta get up. Yeah, sit like that. So the camera can see. All right. Oh man, I should have put some on that side. You know, help inspect it for me.
Oh, is the bond game coming out?
Oh, really?
In May.
Do these. Not supposed to lick it while I do it. I don't know if I put that in the right spot. I should put it on the end. Alright, time for the roof. Are you gonna let Zoe help you eat this? Or are you gonna eat it by yourself? You probably sneak down here at night and try to eat it by yourself. Oh, I don't know if this will fit. I guess it does. Oh, can I borrow one of your paws to hold this together? You look at these. There's a lot of them from your belly. Here. Sample the green one. Oh, it looks like we might need more. Is that the right? Nope, that's the right. Here, can you put this one up here? Right here. You put it right here? I didn't mean to lick the whole thing. Give me your paw. Get up. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. I need you to hold this. Can you reach right here? No, I do it myself. Okay, that's enough.
I don't think you're supposed to eat it. It's to look at. It's supposed to be pretty.
He's gonna try and eat it. Give him a chance. Buddy, this might mess up our pattern. I'm trying to be sneaky. Alright, you gonna put sprinkles on there? Oh, you better move quickly. Stuff's starting to harden.
So we want some more cheese.
She can't help make it, but we'll let her help him eat it. Yeah, we can turn 2 green ones into bushes. Oops, I'm getting it all over me, but alright. Let's finish it. Ooh. Well, that didn't go as planned. Alright, what do you think? I'm gonna get your picture first. Hold on, not yet. Not yet, wait. Oh yeah, you can, but not yet. Berkeley. Dad, I'm taking a video.
Okay.
Berkeley, what'd you make? What is that?
I made a dog house so I can eat it.
Have you tried it yet?
I had a little lick.
You taste it? Is it good?